Hey everyone, so today I created this super simple makeup look for you today. It is very light on the eyes and has this really beautiful reddish orange kind of lip, and I'm so in love with this look, and if you want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. So to start out this makeup tutorial, I am going in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation and my Laura Mercier Candle Glow Soft Luminance Foundation. Now, it's a little weird because the Super Stay is very matte and very full coverage, and the Laura Mercier is very glowy and very natural, but I find whenever I mix these two together, it still has the coverage of the Maybelline one, but it has kind of the luminosity of the Laura Mercier one, and it just creates the most beautiful finish. And these two foundations together, and they're just great. Like, by themselves, they're good, but together, they're so good. And I am just taking this foundation and putting it everywhere on my face. Underneath my eyes, on my eyelids, everywhere. We are not using concealer today, so this will basically be our concealer. Then to set underneath my eyes, I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm taking this on my damp beauty blender, and I'm actually just going to set all the high points of my face. Since we didn't use any concealer, this will kind of brighten those areas up a little bit. Then I am just going in with this EcoTools brush just to set the rest of my face and wipe away that excess powder. Next, I'm taking this Milani powder foundation in a really dark shade to bronze up my skin. I love using foundations for bronzer. I feel like they just blend so beautifully and they just look so nice on the skin. And I am taking this and I'm putting it underneath the cheekbones and around the forehead. And then I will be taking that brush with just no extra product on it, and I'll just run it down the sides of the nose just to contour a little bit, not too much. I'm basically just adding some color back to my nose. And next I'm going in with this beautiful blush from Flower Beauty. It is my go-to right now. It is so pretty. I've been using it for months. It's just this beautiful pinky shade, but it has kind of gold, I don't want to say gold reflex. It's not like glitter or anything. It just has a gold sheen to it, and it just may look so beautiful on the skin, and it just makes your face look so glowy and nice and natural. And next, I'm going in with my go-to highlighter at the moment, this Milani highlighter, and I'm taking it on my MAC Studio fan brush, and I'm just applying this to all the high points in my face. Whenever I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, I really like to do up my face, I guess you would say. I like for my skin to be really glowy. I like to be super highlighted. I like for you to be able to see me in the dark, basically. I feel like the more natural my look, the more glowy my skin has to be. Then I'm taking just a little bit more of that Milani face powder, and I am just going to go ahead and start working this into the crease of my eyes. This look is so simple, you guys. Like, you are about to find out. It's just, oh my god, it's amazing how simple it is. So I'm just taking that shade and I'm just running it all in the crease and blending it up. This will act as my crease shade and my transition shade. And after I get that as nice and pigmented and as blended as I want, I'm just going to go ahead and take that same shade on that same big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to run this right underneath the lower lash line to add a little bit of definition. Next, I'm going in with this LA Colors Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow, and you guys, I feel like no one uses these, but they are so pigmented, and they are just so pretty, and they're so cheap. I always get them at the dollar store, and I love them, but I've never seen anybody else use them on YouTube, or in my life, actually, I think. I think I'm the only person I've ever seen use these. But I am just packing this shade all over my eyelid, and I'm making it super pigmented. I'm going in with like 2 layers of this. And then I'll just go in with my fluffy brush and just blend a teensy bit, make sure there's no harsh lines. And then I'm also taking that color and I'm going on the inner corners of the eyes, and I'm really packing it in there. Then once I get that as pigmented as I want, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I went ahead and did that off camera just to save some time today. And then I'm going to go in and highlight my brow bone. I am taking that same highlighter that we used on the face to do this. And then I'm just going to go through and set my eyebrows down with some clear brow gel. Then I'm going in with this CoverGirl mascara, and I'm not even going to lie, you guys, I've really been feeling this mascara. I hadn't tried it before. My best friend actually told me that she really liked it, so I got it, and it's really good. Like, it makes my eyelashes look really long, really full, so I have no complaints here. But I'm just applying, like, 3 coats of mascara to my eyelashes. I don't want to wear falsies or anything today. I just want this look to be very nice and minimal, except for my pounds of mascara, but it's just like that sometimes. Then for the finishing touch, I'm going in with this Smashbox lipstick. I love Smashbox lipsticks, y'all. They are so good. They're like my #1 lipstick brand other than NYX. NYX is still my #1, but Stila is like coming right in behind. So I'm just taking this and putting this all over my lips. It's this beautiful kind of like reddish orange brick shade, and I'm in love. It's my new favorite. I've been wearing it nonstop. And then this is the finished look, everyone. I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. It's super, super easy, super go-to, nice and put together kind of look. And if you like this video and you want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me a nice comment, and thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, everyone. Bye.